Have you ever wondered to know what marketing means? One morning around 10 o'clock, a slim man entered in our class together with our former entrepreneurship teacher. This was our new teacher of entrepreneurship. I was in high school with zero knowledge about business. The same day, the new teacher gave us an assignment, and it was all about marketing. The next day, he requested us to submit, and none got it right. Sometimes, things we think we already know are the one we actually don't know yet. In this video, we shall cover the key terms used by many people while dealing with buyers and sellers. Normally, marketing involves creating, communicating, delivering, and exchange. However, many people correlate marketing with advertising or confuse this one with selling of a product or services. In reality, advertising and selling are just a part of marketing because there are many other components to the marketing process. Marketing affects almost every aspect of our lives in one form or another. When you make choice, for example, to which photographer to hire for taking pictures in a wedding ceremony, which smartphone to buy, which radio station to listen to, and which movie to watch during the weekend. Seriously, almost everyone has been at some point influenced by elements of marketing. We will show you what you need to know to be an outstanding salesperson by simply applying tips used by millions of people worldwide to attract their customers. Let's first start with definitions. What does marketing mean? This word means the action of promoting as well as selling products or services, including market research and advertisement. As you can see in the definition given above, marketing is far beyond selling and promoting, but also involves research. These are very important to companies anytime, mostly during production process of a new product or a service. This is also applicable when a company wants to improve the existing product. Market is a particular group of consumers at which a given product or a service is aimed at regarding their characteristics and similarities. For instance, a couple of people who are about to get married are a key target market for companies like Inepu Limited, which provide photography and videography services. Then, what are the forms of marketing? A form of marketing is a way that might be used by businesses to communicate their value, product, or services to their target group. Those range from hanging posters, publishing ads in newspapers, ads on billboards, or even working with advertising companies to produce advertising videos for them. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.
Inepu Team, let the world know.